आप सभी को जय भीम, जय भारत, नमो बुद्धाय। Today I feel immensely honored and proud to speak on the occasion of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti, a day that commemorates the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the chief architect of Indian Constitution and one of the greatest social reformers of our country has ever seen. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891 in Maho, a small town in present-day Madhya Pradesh. From a very early age, he experienced the pain of untouchability, discrimination, and social injustice. Despite facing countless hardships, he never gave up. His determination, intelligence, and thirst for knowledge made him one of the most respected and influential personality in Indian history. He was born in a Dalit family. Ambedkar faced severe caste-based discrimination throughout his childhood, but instead of succumbing to the barrier created by society, he chose the path of education as his weapon. He studied tirelessly, breaking every stereotype and restriction placed before him. He earned multiple degrees from prestigious universities, including Columbia University in the USA and the London School of Economics. He was one of the most highly educated Indians of his time, holding doctorates in economics, law, and political science. His academic excellence was not just for personal achievement, it was aimed at uplifting the society he came from and fighting against social evils. Dr. Ambedkar believed that no society can progress if its people are divided and oppressed. He led several movements to secure the rights and dignity of Dalit and other marginalized community and especially women. One of the most notable events was the Mahad Satyagraha in 1927, where he and his thousands of Dalit drank water from a public tank, challenging the age-old caste taboos. He also he also burned the Manusmriti, an ancient Hindu text which he believed promoted inequality and discrimination. This act was symbolic of his protest against the caste system and his commitment to creating a just and equal society. Though Ambedkar's approach was different from many other freedom fighters, his contribution to India's journey towards the independence was significant. He emphasized that political freedom is meaningless without social and economic justice. I repeat again, political freedom is meaningless without social and economic justice. He founded the Independent Labour Party and later the Scheduled Castes Federation to represent the interest of the marginalized. His voice became the voice of millions who had been silenced for centuries. In 1947, after India gained independence, he was appointed the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India. This was a historic moment. Despite facing opposition, Ambedkar worked tirelessly to ensure that our constitution granted equality, liberty, and fraternity for all those citizens, irrespective of their caste, religion, or gender. The Indian Constitution, adopted on 26th January 1950, is considered one of the most detailed and forward-thinking constitution in the world. Ambedkar's vision ensured that it provided fundamental rights, protection against discrimination, and the establishment of a secular and democratic nation. He once said, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Indeed, through the Constitution, Ambedkar gave India a framework to build a just and inclusive society. Towards the end of his life, Dr. Ambedkar made a significant decision. He converted to Buddhism in 1956 along with lakhs of his followers. He believed Buddhism stood for equality, peace, and non violence, and it gave him and his people a path to dignity and self respect. This movement is known as the Dalit Buddhist movement. Even today, Ambedkar's teaching and philosophy continue to inspire millions across India and the world. He taught us the value of education, self respect, equality, and justice. His life is a shining example of how one person, through courage and commitment, can bring about a revolution in society. We often remember Ambedkar as the father of the Constitution, but he was much more than that. He was a social scientist, economist, reformer, lawyer, above all, a champion of human rights. In today's time, when societies still struggle with issues like discrimination, inequality, gender bias, and poverty, Ambedkar's message is more relevant than ever. We must strive to build an India that he dreamed of, an India where every person has equal right, equal opportunity, and equal dignity. Let's not just celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti by paying tribute through words and flowers. Let's follow his ideals in our daily lives. Let's pledge to eliminate discrimination in every form, to spread the light of education, and to stand up for justice and equality wherever we see injustice. As Dr. Ambedkar once said, be educated, be organized, and be agitated. These three principles should be the foundation of our lives. On this Ambedkar Jayanti, let's remember his sacrifices and contributions with gratitude and commit ourselves to walking the path he showed us. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.